welcome back. So after our today's maths class in which we have learned about money, yes, money. So now it's time to begin with our today's EVS class. Now in the previous EVS class, students, we have learned about different animals and what are the things we get from them. You remember that? We have done cow and she gives us milk. Then we did hen. So what are we getting from hen? Let's quickly revise the previous work. What are the things we are getting from hen? Egg and meat. So what meat? Like chicken. So you must have seen, I am not saying that everyone eats. There are people who eat chicken. So this chicken we get from hen. Clear? Then we have honey bee. So what we are getting from them? Honey. Clear? Then we learned about sheep. So what we are getting from sheep? Wool. So that wool we are using in making these jackets, sweaters. So wool we get from sheep. Sweaters which we are wearing, isn't it? Then we have learned about goat. So what goat is giving us? Goat is giving us again milk and meat. So there are areas in the hilly areas where people they keep goat. They get milk from these goat only. Clear? Then we have learned about pig. So pig is the one which provides us meat again. These are the animals we have learned. Now can you tell me what type of animals were these? They all were farm animals. Yes, we keep them on farm because they help us in the work. Second thing, they are providing these things, and when we are getting all these things in huge amount, what we do? जब हमें ये बहुत ज़्यादा मिलता है, अब अगर मैंने मान लीजिए if I have kept a cow and this cow is giving me lot of milk, अब वो सारा तो मैम यूज नहीं करेंगे ना, I'm not using that all. So what we do? We sell it. That means वो हमें again money. You see, जब हम मिल्क खरीदते हैं तो हम मनी देते हैं ना. That means जो अंकल हमें मिल्क सेल कर रहे हैं, उनको हमसे मनी मिलता है. तो the farmers they keep cow to earn from the milk. Clear? So this is how I want to correlate the things that we are getting from animals. Why we do that? To earn money. Okay? Great. Now class, what are we going to do today? I have already told you about different wild animals also. So can anyone tell me which animals are referred as wild animals? कौन से animals wild animals होते हैं? So we were discussing about farm animals. As the name says, they live at farm. Now can you tell me who are wild animals? Yes, the animals that live in forest or the one who lives in jungle are called wild animals. Okay. Now from where these animals are getting their homes? Wild animals I am talking about. Wild animals को home कैसे मिलता है? Nature is providing them. Yes, the environment, the nature is providing them with homes. Or food? From where they get the food? अब when we are talking about farm animals, उनको food हम देते हैं, उनका home हम बना देते हैं. So if we are talking about wild animals today, तो wild animals from where they get the food? Again they get it from nature. Like there are lion, tiger, bear. What they eat? They eat the flesh of other animals. तो वो nature हो गया, nature से मिल रहा है. Then the animals like deer, they eat grass. Zebra eat grass. तो वो forest में कितनी greenery होती है, trees होते हैं, grasses होती है, they eat that. Then there are animals which eat other animals. Then they eat small insects. So whatever type of food they want, the nature is providing them. Clear? Now what are we going to do today? Today we are going to write the name of few wild animals and then we are going to learn them. Okay? Let's begin. So the work to be done in the notebook today. But first let us write the names and then we will write in the notebook. Okay? Let's start. So now it's your turn. You are going to tell me the name of different wild animals and I'll write them here. Okay? So now can anyone tell me the first name? Yes. Who is called the king of jungle? Who is that? Can anyone tell me? The king of forest, king of jungle. It's lion. Very good. So how we are going to write? L-I-O So next is the one. Ma'am will keep on giving you the hints, and then like this now we'll play a game. Okay. So this is a game as well as learning. So the first is the king of jungle. You know that? It's a lion. Okay. Now the next animal. The next animal is the one who is called or referred as the national animal of our country. Yes. The Royal Bengal tiger. Very good. So these tigers, most of the tigers, they are found in Gir forest. Clear? So Zinc Corbett, not Zinc Corbett National Park hai, where they are trying to save these tigers, and the tigers, they are our national animals. Ab now what happened, class? Nowadays we are finding that people are killing these animals for their skin. उनकी जो skin होती है वो बहुत costly होती है, तो उनकी skin के लिए people are killing animals and selling them. So to protect, the government has launched a lot of different movements in which we are saving these tigers. Save Tiger is one of them. So tiger is the second, and this tiger is also our national animal. Clear? So let's write that now again phonetically. Tiger. Isn't it? Tiger. Okay. The third one. Someone who loves to eat honey. Honey and only honey. They like to eat honey the most. Yes, can you tell me who is that? Yes, can anyone tell me? It's a bear. Very good. So the next one is bear. Class, if you remember, while we were learning about these wild animals, I asked you to watch a movie. Ma'am ने आपको एक movie देखने के लिए बोला था. Which movie was that? Can anyone tell me? देखा था आपने वो movie? Have you watched it? Yes, Jungle Book. Yes, I told you to watch Jungle Book. So this Jungle Book, if you have watched, you might be knowing it's the story about a child whose name is Mowgli, and this child is human child. वो human है, but what he lives, where he lives among these animals. और उन्हीं को वो अपना parent, अपनी family, अपना friend सब कुछ मानता है. And all those animals, they care for this child a lot. They again love him. So what I want to teach you with this movie is कि animals, they give only love. If you will love them, they will also give you lot of love. Animals हमें कब harm पहुंचाते हैं? When we are harming them. जब हम उन्हें नुकसान पहुंचाएंगे, अब आप उन्हें मारोगे, तो obviously they will also hit you. वो भी आपको मारेंगे to save themselves. But the movie, or the Lion King या the Jungle Book, जो ये movie है, if you will watch, you will understand the thing behind it. The moral behind it is कि if that human being, the human child Mowgli, was giving so much love to these animals, and what they were giving in return, love. वो उन्हीं wild animals के बीच में रहता था. Snake, then a lot of lion, tiger, bear, fox, इतने सारे wild animals. हमें लगता है कि वो हमें मार देंगे, खा जाएंगे, but they were loving Mowgli because Mowgli was giving them love. Clear? Okay. Now moving to the topic again. So what was the next animal? Yes, can anyone tell me? Who's the next animal here? The one who have a long nose. Yes, long nose and the long ears. कौन है वो? Elephant. Very good. So we'll write that. Elephant. So again see, elephant, isn't it? Okay. Now the next one. Can anyone tell me the next? Yes? Okay, I'll give you one hint. Now you all know Christmas is coming, isn't it? So on Christmas, Santa Claus comes. And Santa Claus comes in a sledge. Sledge में आते हैं, तो वो sledge को कौन drove कर रहा होता है? वो sledge को कौन खींच रहा होता है अपने साथ? Yes? Deer. Yes, very good. Reindeer. तो So deer is one another jungle elephant or jungle animal, or you can say wild animal. So deer. Ear, there. Clear? Again double E hai. So you remember double E sound? E, deer. Yes, there. Now this is there. Okay, now next animal. Can anyone tell me one more animal who lives in jungle? A very intelligent, clever, cunning. Okay, and it looks like dog, but it's very clever and very cunning. And if you remember, we have a story where the grapes were hanging and this animal wants to eat, but वो उससे पहुंच ही नहीं पा रहा था. So who's that? Fox. The fox and the grapes. You remember that story? Yes. So the other animal is fox. So you know this fox is very clever. This fox is a very clever animal. Okay? Though it looks like a dog, but it's very intelligent, very clever. ये लाइन तक को बुद्धू बना देता है. क्लियर? सो बहुत ज़्यादा क्लेवर एनिमल होता है ये. तो there are a lot of stories. If you remember the fox and the grapes. So you want me to tell you? Okay, quickly I tell you that story. What happened once this fox was very hungry and he wanted to have a lot of grapes. He saw a lot of grapes were hanging on the vine. तो अब इसने सोचा, wow, see there are so many grapes. I'll eat them. And the hunger will go. तो उसने क्या किया? He was trying to catch the grapes, but इसको grapes मिल ही नहीं रहे थे क्योंकि वो बहुत height पे थे, and the fox was not able to jump and get the grapes. Then what happened? इसने क्या सोचा? अब मुझे grapes नहीं मिले तो क्या हो गया? My God, सब लोग मुझे हंसेंगे. Oh God, अब मैं क्या करूं? तो इसने क्या देखा कि वहाँ पे कुछ friends खड़े हुए देख रहे थे. तो what he said to them? अरे ये ग्रेप्स खराब है, they all are very sour, खट्टे हैं, छोड़ो इनको, खाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. And he went, क्योंकि ये उनको बताना ही नहीं चाहता था कि he was not able to get the grapes. So to save his image, उसने ये झूठ बोल दिया. So isn't it a clever work? So these fox, they are very clever. Okay. Now the next, can anyone tell me the next? The one who lives in a hole. So you must have got it. Which animal is this? जो ऐसे ऐसे करता है? Snake. Very good. So we are going to write that. Snake. Okay, one more. The last one. Can anyone tell me one more animal? Yes? If I give you a hint, an animal which is having white and black stripes on the body, जिनकी पूरी body में white और black strips होती हैं. White, black. So what is that? Zebra. Yes, zebra. So you know, on the name of this animal only we have that zebra crossing on the road. जहाँ से red light के पास जो zebra crossing होती है, vehicle stop there and the people they walk and cross the road. Because that is also white and black. So because this animal is zebra, so we call that crossing zebra crossing. Okay, great. So this is all what we are going to do in our notebook. So what we'll do, we'll write all these names in the notebook today. But first, let's have a quick revision with their spellings. So the first is lion. L-I-O-N, lion. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. B-E-A-R, bear. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Then we have D-E-E-R, deer. Fox, F-O-X, fox. S-N-A-K-E, snake. And then we have zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Clear? Okay. So what are we going to do? Do this work. In notebook. So class, this is your classwork. Clear? So in classwork, we are going to write all this in notebook. So what's your today's homework? So today we are going to do work on book page number 44 and 45 as today's homework. So I'll just explain you both your classwork and homework, and after that you finish it. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our today's classwork and notebook. Okay? So what we have to write? We are going to write the name of wild animals. Okay class? So the first thing, let's write today's date. So today is 26th November 2020. After writing the date, you have to write classwork. So mention CW like this. Now, the topic is wild animals, and we are going to start writing the name of these animals, writing numbers here. So the first we did is lion. You have to remember one thing, when you are writing the name of these animals, the first letter should be written capital, or you can say uppercase. Clear? So the first is lion. Then we have tiger. So which was the next we did? After tiger? Bear. Yes, bear. Bhalu. Okay, the next one. Elephant. Clear? So after elephant, number 5, we did deer. Then fox. After that, snake. Yes, we did snake. And last we did zebra. Clear? So like this, you are going to write the name of wild animals in your notebook as your today's classwork, and then learn them all. Understood class? Okay. So this is your today's classwork which you are going to do in your EVS notebook. Now talking about today's homework. So you have to open your book on page number 44. There you will find the topic animal care. Write down today's date and write HW here. Now mark a tick for the action that is right and cross for the action that is wrong. Clear? So what we'll do, some pictures are given here. We will see them, we will understand these pictures, and then we have to tell whether it is something good or bad. Clear? Okay. Now the first picture here we have is, see this girl, she is having a fish bowl in which she has two beautiful fish. Isn't it? So there are two fishes here. Now can you tell me what she is doing? What do you think she is doing? She is giving them food. So is it good to feed your pet animals timely? आप अपने pet animals को timely खाना देते हैं. Is it a good habit or a bad habit? It's a good one. So what we will do? We'll put a tick here. Now next, see class. So this child is again having a dog as a pet. What he is doing? He is loving the pet. He has given him a blanket to cover. Might be winter season hoga ya thand hogi. Then he is also giving him proper food timely. So again it's a good habit. Now we have a girl and there are some birds. That means this girl is somewhere out in the park. And what is she doing? शी इज गिविंग फूड टू दीज बर्ड्स. वो उसको ग्रेन्स खिला रही है, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ग्रेन्स. Isn't it? So again it's a very good habit as I told you. See class, जब हमें भूख लगती है हम खाना मांगते हैं ना मम्मा से, and mama gives us. अब इन birds को कैसे मांगेंगे? They don't know how to talk. So you should yourself understand the responsibility and give food to these birds, animals, everyone. Now next we have is, see a monkey is sitting on the tree and this boy is teasing the monkey. Teasing मतलब वो उसको चिढ़ा रहा है. See this monkey is feeling so sad. आप उसका sad face देख रहे हो? क्योंकि कोई ऐसे चिढ़ाता है तो अच्छा नहीं लगता ना. So this monkey is also feeling very sad, very bad also, because they are also having feelings, isn't it? So what is it? It's a good or bad? It's a bad habit. So put a cross like this. Similarly here next we have is a boy who is running behind a cow with a stick. That means this boy might be hitting the cow. वो उसको hit कर रहा है. Oh my God, it's a very bad habit to hit any animal. So just put a cross on it. Now see, oh, such a bad boy. See this boy is pulling the tail of this dog. अब उसको कितना दर्द हो रहा होगा. कोई आपको पुल करेगा, आपका हैंड पुल करता है तो दर्द होता है ना. So he is pulling the tail, very bad. Again a cross here. Now see, he is such a bad boy. He is throwing pebbles and stones on this crow. Oh, see the birds, how bad it is. हम किसी को hit कर रहे हैं. So again a very bad habit. Now see next here we have this girl. What is she doing? There is a small nest. Can you see here? And there's a bird in it. Now what is she doing? She is giving some water. उसने क्या किया? एक vessel रख के अपने घर के पास, and she has poured some water. Why is she doing this? So that these birds can come and have it. Again she is so nice. She is doing such a good work. So we'll put a tick. Now on the next page you have to circle the odd in each set. So there are some pictures given. You have to circle the odd picture. So this is your another homework for the day. Is that clear? So now what you have to do? You have to finish your classwork in your notebook and page number 45 and page number 44. So 44 and 45 is this one. You are going to complete as your today's homework. Okay class? So class, you must have understood your today's work, isn't it? Finish your work, your classwork and your homework. So for homework, animal care is the topic which I have told you. So it is not only about a topic in the book, you actually should take care of these animals in a very loving form. As I told you, see, there was a boy living between these wild animals and he was all safe. It's not about that animals are harming us. It's about we are harming the animals, but they are trying to protect themselves. Clear? So don't harm any animal.